Digital forms of money are an intriguing innovation that can possibly change the world economy. While some digital forms of money, like Bitcoin, have become notable and profoundly esteemed, others continue to remain in the shadows. Aave, for instance, is a cryptographic money with the possibility to turn into a key part on the lookout. In this blog entry, we will investigate what assists Aave with standing apart among other digital currencies and why it could worth put resources into. We will likewise investigate the Aave value forecast and what elements could influence its future cost. In this way, moving along, how about we get directly into it? Aave value analyses, as indicated by the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Aave is $65.66, and Aave is as of now position No. 42 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of Aave is 14,093,193 Aave, with a market cap of $925,345,034.44. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by $4.66 in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, Aave has been in a decent vertical pattern, in this manner expanding by 18.16%. Aave has shown areas of strength for extremely recently, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of Aave has expanded by 8.01%, adding an enormous typical measure of $5.26 to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now, assuming it keeps on developing. Aave Value Expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Aave costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Aave will be $88.74. The greatest level that the Aave cost can reach is $103.66. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $91.21. Aave value figure for January 2023. In light of the value vacillations of Aave toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Aave pace of $64.64 in January 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $58.48 and at $66.48. Separately, February 2023, Aave value conjecture. Digital money specialists are prepared to report their conjecture for the Aave cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $64.76, while the greatest could reach $69.72 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Aave may be around $67.22. Aave value estimate for WAC 2023. Crypto examiners have actually looked at the value vacillations of Aave in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Aave rate they foresee may be around $69.91 in WAC 2023. It can drop to $66.83 as a base. The greatest worth may be $73.08. April 2023, Aave value estimate. Around mid-year 2022, the Aave cost will be exchanged at $72.01 by and large. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Aave worth to $75.87. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $68.93 in April 2023. Aave value figure for May 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Aave costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, $74.17. The most minimal and top Aave rates may be $71.09 and $79.48. June 2023, Aave value figure. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the Aave cost will be around $76.40. In June 2023, the Aave cost might drop to at least $73.32. The normal pinnacle worth may be $83.18 in June 2023. Aave value conjecture for July 2023. Having broke down Aave costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the Aave rate could arrive at a limit of $86.24 in July 2023. It may, be that as it may, drop to $75.61. For July 2023, the anticipated normal of Aave is almost $78.69. August 2023, Aave value figure. Around mid-2022, the Aave cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $80.26. Crypto experts expect that in August 2023, the Aave cost could vary somewhere in the range of $77.18 and $89.39. Aave value figure for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Aave worth won't dip under at least $80.39. The most extreme pinnacle expected for the current month is $93.40. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $83.47. October 2023, Aave Value Gauge. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly investigated the scope of Aave costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their gauge is the accompany. The greatest exchanging worth of Aave will be around $96.74, with a chance of dropping to at least $82.06. In October 2023, the normal expense will be $85.14. Aave value figure for November 2023. In light of the value changes of Aave toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Aave pace of $87.70 in November 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $84.62 and at $100.15 individually. December 2023, Aave Value Estimate. Digital money specialists are prepared to declare their gauge for the Aave cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $88.74, while the most extreme could reach $103.66 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Aave may be around $91.21. Aave Value Forecast 2024. After the examination of the costs of Aave in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Aave will be around $134.12. The greatest expected Aave cost might be around $158. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $137.76 in 2023. Aave Value Expectation 2025. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Aave, in 2024, Aave is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $200.57 and $232.93. Separately, the typical expected exchanging cost is $206.08. Aave Value Expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital money have examined the costs of Aave and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base Aave cost could drop to $291.17, while its most extreme can reach $341.72. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $299.41. Aave Value Forecast 2027. In view of the examination of the expenses of Aave by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least Aave costs are normal in 2026, $510.25 and $420.12. By and large, it will be exchanged at $435.10. Aave Value Expectation 2028. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the changes of Aave. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical Aave cost will be around $620.05. It could drop to at least $598.29. However, it actually could reach $731.56 all through